Casper actually got, it's crazy this, it actually got a Coinbase perpetual listing. I don't know how far down this is to show proof, but look at this. It's actually got a Coinbase perpetual future listing along with SPX. And I was looking at its liquidation levels as well. It looks like there's a little bit at 8 cents, but then it may boomerang to about 16 cents because there's a lot of liquidity around that region, as well as around 12, 11 cents as well. Because I hold a bit of Casper, quite a bit actually, and it is down because I bought at around 11.7 around here, somewhere around there where the liquidity lies. So we do need it to boomerang in price, and it is up 5.73% on the day based on the news. But I don't know if this is just a little pump and it's going to reverse and go down, or it's actually going to pump based on this news. Because I can't remember when exactly it got listed on Binance. When did Casper get listed on Binance Futures? Because if it is getting listings, it's kind of crazy. In 2023. That's crazy. In 2023 then, before the whole pump really. Before the whole pump, so around this region here, yeah, 2023. That must have caused the pump. What is Bitcoin doing anyway? I don't even look at Bitcoin anymore, which is bad. We need to ensure that we are watching the charts. It's looking a bit red. It is looking red. It's just chopping sideways. It looks like it's bottomed out. There's a lot of good news. A little bit of bad news. It seems to sell off. People are scared. People are panicking. Shown in the fear and greed index. It's not looking good in that sense. But there's a lot of good news. And we're going to go on to the news right now. So, if we go all the way up here, gents, BlackRock is buying, the president is buying, countries are buying. We just have to keep up the lie that Ethereum works a bit longer. It's working. We are so close to rugging the entire world. Do not stop. Tell them it cures if you have to. Bro, that's mad. Ethereum's garbage. Listen, bro, you're blessed. You could have been 5'2", born in the third world, dump, mentally disabled, autistic, missing a limb, really bad stuttering problem. You got none of them things. Grind harder. You can do anything. Trump plans to abolish US tax agency IRS and remove income tax for all Americans. That is crazy. Man's doing good things. And also with this, make sure you make use of your life and enjoy it at the same time. Make the most of it, man. We don't live long. US stocks are pumping hard. Bitcoin will be next. Whales are manipulating the crypto market, but not for long. Our patience will pay off. Trump said anyone who sells Ethereum below 10k is a massive for ETH. That's mad. Trump says interest rates are going to go down. Going down, bruh. Send it lower. What is Laffy saying on a day like today? Particular decline is different from any decline in another location on the chart, meaning that the currencies are now in bottom areas, and this decline has not yet taken an upward path and large upward numbers, but rather all entries in the past period are bottoms and excellent entries. Be patient and hold on to your currencies. The return of your capital, which has become your biggest ambition now, will happen in a few days. After that, market will continue to explode. Some will sell just to get their capital back or make a small profit, fearing a decline once again. This is true. Since you are entering with a target of 500% and 1000%, you must accept this sharp fluctuation in the market. Stay in the fight and don't give up. Damn, I don't know, man. It's a difficult one to call. You got to take profits along the way, right? The S&P 500 surges towards 6100 despite rising inflation and trade war concerns, and now 0.5% from a new all-time high. This remains the most resilient market in history. Bitcoin just needs to follow, man. BNB sees an 173 million bridge to BNB over the past 24 hours, primarily from Solana and Ethereum. So the money's just rotating. So it's rotating to BNB today. It's rotating to BNB. Is Mochi on BNB? Looks like it's flying. PancakeSwap is flying. It's just a deadbeat market, man, where the money's just rotating, player versus player. Pengu is on Coinbase. BTC price action showing mixed signals at 95.8 with key technical indicators painting a neutral picture. RSI hovering around 44 suggests neither overbought nor oversold, while negative MACD divergence hints at short-term bearish momentum. High liquidations versus long liquidations. Current market structure indicates consolidation phase within broader uptrend, with decreasing volatility potentially setting up for a significant directional move. Is Tails also doing analysis like this now? That is crazy, bruh. Interoperability and composability between agents is key for DeFi. Solution to the biggest problems in AI agents, transparent economic rails. That's mad. I thought only Zara did that.
Actually got introduced to it
Currency of
after the
freedom.
Ottawa trucker strike when the government of
What is wrong
Ottawa
with
shut
bro's
down
voice?
everybody's bank account who was participating in a peaceful public protest, and I realized that transactional freedom was as important
Bro sounds like he's on the bog.
as free.
I have to upload that, bros. Flipping heck, I make myself laugh, man. Make myself laugh at least. US officials expect tariffs to be finalised within weeks or months. When I was 20, I wanted to be a millionaire. Once I was a millionaire, I wanted to be 20. Which means everything that I make now and the end of time, I'd pay at the end of time to be back here now. We always trade the thing we want most for the thing we want most. We have most for the thing we want most. That's mad. Because his time's running out. Enjoy your time, brothers. Ethereum is to Bitcoin as silver is to gold. Ethereum and silver are grossly undervalued. Capital shift is coming where money flows from gold to silver, from Bitcoin to Ethereum. When the demand for Ethereum arrives, Omikami and Ryujin will skyrocket. The only thing that people care about is price, and numbers go up. Fact. Explains how to become a millionaire from a normal job. Let's hear this
I like to
facade.
challenge myself. So give me a normie job. Give me a normal job. Name a normie job.
This is going to be
Making
some
coffee.
facade.
Making coffee. Boom. You're a barista. You're a barista. Now, I'm going to tell you how to get rich as a barista because I can think that fast off the top of my head. The problem with most people in the world today is not that they do a normal thing, it's that they do a normal thing and they don't try to be the best at it. So you can be a barista and you can just make coffees, or you can be a barista that makes the fancy coffees and can turn over all the cups and do like the tricks and all the garbage. We have a man who became a billionaire from salt.
Yes.
From salt. You can all put salt on, he did it the best. Bam. So the first thing you need to do is get very good at making coffees. That's the first thing you need to do. Be able to do it in a fancy way. Then you need to solicit attention. Well, if you can make coffees in a fancy way, you can hire a videographer, you can then begin to make fancy coffees in a fancy way, and you can make it look good with a finalized product, and you can get a nice video made that's well cut with some fancy music. You can begin to put them on Instagram and solicit people to watch your Instagram page. Now you have attention. How do you then turn that attention into money after you began to show your fancy coffees? Well, you could, let's say, put together a course or an academy or write a book on the magic of coffee.
This is
the
what you
secrets
did?
of coffee. And you would put a mystery on it. Don't say, I'll teach you how to make coffee. No, say the secrets of coffee. And you'd have a link in your Instagram page, and it would be $9, and it would tell people the secrets how to make coffee, for example. You'd start to sell that for $9. You'd make a couple hundred or a couple thousand, not too much, but you continue to make fancy coffees. People continue to go to your Instagram page. You're now selling the secrets of how to make coffee. Then, after people start knowing you as being a barista, you start to make these $9. You have $20,000, $30,000 in the bank. What you can do is launch your own coffee brand. You can go to Alibaba.com. You can find some coffee beans. You can put your face on it because your face is now a recognized brand. You can get your own coffee beans. You can begin to sell them on Instagram. Before you know it, you're making $10,000 or $15,000 a month. You can start to do tours. You can start to put posters on your Instagram or in your Instagram stories saying, I'm going to do master classes on how to make coffee, 20 people only, $1,000 each at this premium barista specialty coffee shop in London. The coffee shop will allow you to do it for free because they want people to know, get the advertising from you and your brand. You'll charge $1,000 each. That's 20 grand for a day. They teach people how to pour milk in a fucking cup. Boom. You've got a coffee brand. You've got an online school. You're doing seminars. You were a nobody. You worked in Starbucks. You were a loser. You put in a little bit of effort. Now you drive a Ferrari. Done. By extension, anyone who does not drive a Ferrari is a lazy idiot. It is that easy to get rich in the world today.
That's mad, it's true. The facts easy is enjoying meme culture tells me Altseason may not be coming. And the man that's always focused on building the most powerful man in crypto moves his attention to memes, that's it. This is the great rotation cycle of memes. Don't fight it. There's money to be made. That's true. It's a meme cycle. And that's all it is. I don't think it's much more than that. I don't think altcoins are going to do well. I don't think what you think is going to go up is going to go up. I think what people are telling you in front of your face is going to go up is what is going to go up. That is it. Simple as that, man. 70% of Bitcoin is in the hands of individuals. If government want it, they'll have to buy it from you. Stack, hold, and let them bid higher. Your future self will thank you. National Bank of Canada bought 2 million worth of Bitcoin. Bank saying FOMO. Gentlemen, when the bull is done, don't worry about the fact that Vitalik, 6x vaxxed communist who runs ETH like, oh wow. It's your duty to lie and tell everyone he's a brilliant leader with, what am I reading? You have two choices, either you continue gambling and losing money, or you hold top cult meme coins and win. It's that simple. Yes, I will continue stream Altseason every time Ethereum moves 1%. It doesn't matter how many times I'm wrong. You and I just to be right once to get turbo money. We might not be getting quantitative easing anytime soon, but we are potentially getting a Treasury General account drawdown due to the debt ceiling. This is effectively a form of stealth QE as liquidity is injected into the economy. The last two times we had this drawdown, BTC rallied. Damn. Send it, bro. No matter how they do it, I don't care. Do it. Old system, you earn their tax, you save, they inflate, you invest, they rig. New system, you stack Bitcoin, they can't touch it. That's mad. Trump legitimized meme coin culture. Soon you will see billion-dollar Web3 companies launching their own token instead of listing on the stock exchange. The most entertaining outcome is always the most likely. Meme coins are here to stay. I don't know about that. Not the way they're correct. A whale bought 104,000 ETH. Casper's getting listed. SPX is getting listed. President Trump reciprocal tariffs are not going to affect today. May start April the 1st. Bullish for the markets. Nothing to flex until your mum is retired. Coinbase to re-enter India. ETH BTC oversold. That's mad, man. It's all looking good. I ain't gonna lie. Shake everyone out, then buy everything, then announce ETH stake in ETFs. Welcome. That's mad. That's all they do, bruh. That is all they do. They don't care. They just want your bags for as cheap as possible and they'll get them.